Okay, just going to walk around, burn off some calories. It's been a pretty epic food eating weekend, and I probably packed on a lot of calories or a lot of pounds. I feel so bloated and stuff. Need to walk. Oh snaps, that looks pretty dope. The streets are here are wider because it's the streets newer, so there's more it's more open. There's a more open feel. I'm hindi ba open. Whoa! Look at all those lights. The people. Not a very crowded city. You don't see any you don't see very many foreigners. Like everyone that comes in here are usually tourists, but like domestic tourists. You don't see any like international.
Về tắm rồi ra chơi xích đu.
How far can you walk? He's missing his arm. Let's watch. Huh?